Hi, good morning. So what we're going to do now is we're going to install the Dominar 400 front fender. This is from India and it was bought by my friend, and we will install this together. The first thing that we do is to cut this one here. We're going to cut this and preparation for the front fender. So this is the front fender that we're going to install. This is the first part that we're going to remove. See? Next is we need this one to clean the extra plastic on the front fender. So we finished cutting the front stock fender. You can see here. Now we're going to install this one. So it have 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4 here that we go inside for the bolts. The stock bolts. We're going to try to install using the stock bolts.
Silver, we're gold. I see beauty in both. I'm colorblind. We're warm.